Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are good and safe at your home. So, today we'll start our new chapter, that is chapter number 6, Be My Multiple, I'll Be Your Factor. Means you be my multiple, I'll be your factor. Both numbers are for each other. If I'll say you just multiply 2 and 3, we will multiply 2 and 3. What we will get? We will get the answer 6. This means on multiplying 2 and 3, we get this answer 6. So, multiples of 2 and 3, 6. Now, 6. We'll take, what are the factors of 6? 2 and 3. A cycle is there. 2 and 3 are multiples of 2 and 3 multiply is 6, and 6 is the, and what are the factors of 6? 2 and 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, and what are the factors of 6? 2 and 3. So they are for each other. So this is what? Be my multiple, I'll be your factor. It is like this, okay? As 6 is saying, you be my multiple, I'll be your factor. So we'll start the chapter. Before starting, we'll study a story. I'll tell you a story. Yes, story of a cat and a mouse. And name of mouse is what? Its name is Kunjan. And the cat is very hungry and she wants to eat Kunjan. Yes, she wants to eat Kunjan. So as you can see here, Kunjan is on the 14th step. She is on this chair and she is on the 14th step, and the cat is on the 3rd step. So will she able to catch Kunjan? Will the cat able to catch the Kunjan? Let's see. Now, rules of this story are that Kunjan can run 2 steps at a time, and means she can only take 2 steps at a time. If she is jumping, she can jump 14, then 15, 16. So next step will be 16. But the cat can take how many steps? It can take 3 steps at a time. The cat can take 3 steps at a time. Means she is at 3 now. So she will take 3 steps at a time. So it will be 4, 5 and 6. So she will reach 6 when Kunjan will reach 16. So will the cat able to catch the mouse or not? We will see. Okay. Just all of you pause your videos and try to do this. How you will do? No cheating. What you will do? You will just mark the steps taken by the cat. You will write C on that one. As I'm doing for you, you also do at your own. Now cat is on 3rd step. She will take 3 steps. So where she will reach? She will reach on the 6th step. So I'll write C here. Okay. Now again she will take 3 steps. She will reach C here on the 9. Then she will take 3 steps. She will reach 12. Again she will take 3 steps on 15. Again she will take 3 steps on 18. And again she will take 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, it is 21. Again she will take 3 steps on 24. Now again on 27. Now steps over. Now what about the cat? We'll count for the cat also. Let's take green color for cat. Rat. Now this rat mouse is on where? It is on the 14th step. So it can take only 2 steps at a time. So let's see. So it will reach 16, 14, 15, 16. Then it will reach, where it will reach? On 18. Then where it will reach? It will reach on 21. Then where it will reach? It will reach on 24. And where it's 26, then 28. Yes or no? Now where the cat has rat has I'll use for that. Where the rat has moved, it has moved to 28, and when it has reached 21, it can easily hide in the hole. So will the cat able to catch the mouse? Will the cat able to catch the mouse? No, it will not able to catch the mouse. Why? Because the cat is taking how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps, and 8 spots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, whereas the mouse can easily reach with the steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he can't catch the rat because the rat will easily skip. Yes or no? So the first question is what? A part you can see here. In the A part, the question is the steps on which the mouse jump. So can you name the steps on which the mouse jump? Yes, we can easily tell them. So which it is? 16, it is step number 16, and step number 18, then step number 20, step number 22, step number 24 and step number 26, then step number 28. So here what will come? These steps taken by the mouse. Now in the second one, it is the steps on which the cat jump. Here you have to write the steps taken by the cat. Now I have mentioned it here also. It is 6th one, then 9th one, then 12th one, then the 15th one, then 20, here it is 18th one, then 21, then it is 24, and then it is 27. So these are the steps taken by the mouse. Here you have to write it separate you have to write steps taken by the mouse and the steps taken by the rat also. So the next question is the steps on which both of the cat and mouse jump. Here you have to write the steps taken by the cat and the mouse both together. Means not together, means they both landed on that step. You have to write here. Where answer are there, 18 is there, and where it is 22 is there, and where it is more 26 is also there, 24 is there. Similarly you have to find which steps are taken by both the mouse and the cat. You have to write in the C part. Okay, now D part is, can the mouse get away? Can the mouse get away or not? Yes, it can easily skip. As you can see, it has reached where 28 step, and it is written if the mouse manages 28 step, if it reaches 28 step, it can easily hide in the hole. So it can easily hide in the hole. Okay, now the next one is here, find out. Now this you all have to do. Yes, this you all have to do. What you will do, it is written if the cat starts from the 5th step. It is said that if the cat is on the 5th step, if the cat is present here now, okay, don't think it is here, it is now here, and jump 5 steps at a time, and the it can jump 5 steps at a time, and the mouse start at the 8th step, and the mouse is at the 8th step. 8th step is this one, mouse is here and cat is here, and the mouse can jump 4 steps at a time. It can jump only 4 steps at a time. So will the mouse be caught by this cat? Will the cat be able to catch the mouse? This you all have to tell. You have to write here that will that cat able to catch the mouse or not. Okay, this you all have to do. Now let's play a puzzle game. Yes, a puzzle game will play, and no cheating. You all have to do it yourself. Okay, so I'll tell you the rules of the game. First, what is there? A cat is there whose name is Monto. Yes, Monto is a cat and she is searching for someone. So whom she is searching for? So this we have to find. This is the puzzle. We have to solve this puzzle, and we have to find that whom she is waiting for. Can you find it? Yes, we'll find it together. So rules of the game. These numbers are given here. You can see these numbers are given here. You have to use these number, and using these number you will find whom she is waiting for. So first rule is, what you have to do, you have to just, first it is written, mark the red dots, mark with the red dot the numbers which can be divided by 2. You have to mark the dots, you have to mark the number which is divisible by 2 by a red dot. As you can see the case, as 2 is divisible by 2 itself, yes, so put a dot, red dot. Now after this, which is there, 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, then 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, and 60. So all these numbers where red dot is there, these numbers are divisible by 2. Yes or no? You can easily check that it. 54 is divisible by 2. Let's divide 54 by 2. It is 54. It will be 2 2s are 4. What's the remainder? 1. And here it is 14. So 2 7s are 14. So 27 times it divides. So it is divisible by 2. It is easy. Now in the next one, what you have to do, you have to divide the, now you have to put a dot of 3, means the numbers which are divisible by 3, you have to put a yellow dot on them, and the numbers which are divisible by 4, you have to put a blue dot on them. Just pause the videos and do it yourself. Do it yourself, then you can resume the video. Do it yourself first, then I'll show you how we have to do. Pause your videos and do it. Mark the blue numbers divisible by 3 by the yellow color and numbers divisible by 4 by the blue color. Do it yourself. So hope you all have done, and no cheating, with no cheating. Okay, so have you got the dots like this? Have you got the dots like this as I have put it here? As you can see, this is the, on 1 only 1 2 1 dot is there, on 3 1 dot, 4 1 dot, 6 is having 2 dots, and which other numbers are having 2 dot? This is the 2 dot 1, this is the 2 1. Now the next is, which one is it, is 3 dots also. So your page will look like this after putting all the 3 dots, means blue one, green, yellow one, and the red one. So how many numbers are having 3 dots? As you can see, how many numbers are having 3 dots? Which all are having 3 dots? As you can, M is having 3 dots. Let's write it. M is having 3 dots. And which one? O is also having 3 dots. And which one also? Yes, U is also having 3 dots. And which number? Yes, S is also having 3 dots. And the last number, E is also having 3 dots. All the 3 dots. So the cat is waiting for whom? The cat is searching for whom? The cat is searching for the mouse. Yes. So the cat is searching for the mouse. How many of you have done this? Very good. So let's write here also. The cat is waiting for the mouse. Cat is waiting for mouse. So was it interesting? Hope so. It was interesting. You find it interesting. So when you will do it yourself, you will find it more interesting. Okay. So in the next video, we will play more games like this. A meow game is also there after this, and many more games are there. Dice games are there. Common multiple games are there. So be ready, okay? Because we have to play many more games in this chapter, okay? So till then, if you have any doubt, just watch the video again and just try to fill this in your book only, okay? You have to do this work in your book, okay? Till then, what you have to do, you have to stay home, stay safe, help your parents, revise your syllabus, revise your subjects, and stay home only. Sai Ram.